Who will visit us tomorrow?
My parents will visit us tomorrow.
What will you eat for dinner?
I will eat pasta for dinner.
When will you arrive at the station?
I will arrive at the station at 6 p.m.
Where will you stay during the trip?
I will stay at a hotel during my trip.
Whom will you invite to the wedding?
I will invite all my close friends to the wedding.
Why will you leave so early?
I will leave early because I have another appointment.
How will you manage the workload?
I will manage the workload by prioritizing tasks.
Which book Anwar will read next?
Anwar will read a mystery novel next.
Who will help Anwar with his homework?
Anwar's teacher will help him with his homework.
What will Anwar say about the project?
Anwar will say that the project is interesting.
When will Anwar complete his assignment?
Anwar will complete his assignment by tomorrow evening.
Where will Anwar go for his vacation?
Anwar will go to the beach for his vacation.
Whom will Anwar meet at the seminar?
Anwar will meet the manager at the seminar.
Why will Anwar cancel the meeting?
Anwar will cancel the meeting because he is not well.
How will Anwar learn to cook?
Anwar will learn to cook by taking online classes.
Who will call you in the evening?
My cousin will call me in the evening.
What will happen if it rains tomorrow?
It will delay the outdoor even if it rains tomorrow.
When will they announce the result?
They will announce the results next week.
Where will they hold the conference?
They will hold the conference in the city hall.
Whom will they hire for the new position?
They will hire their most qualified candidate for the position.
Why will they leave early the conference?
They will leave early because they will have work.
Who will organize the meeting next week?
Sarah will organize the meeting next week.
What will you do after the party?
I will go home after party.
When will you visit the new museum?
I will visit the new museum on Sunday.
Where will you park your car?
I will park my car in the nearby garage.
Whom will you ask for directions?
I will ask the receptionist for directions.
Who will teach Anwar how to swim?
The coach will teach how to swim.
What will Anwar buy from the market?
Anwar will buy some fruits from the market.
When will Anwar meet his friends?
Anwar will meet his friends after school.
Where will Anwar find his lost book?
Anwar will find his lost book in the library.
Whom will Anwar choose as his partner?
Anwar will choose Ollie as his partner.
Why will you study late at night?
I will study late at night because I have an exam tomorrow.
Why will Anwar visit the doctor?
Anwar will visit the doctor because he has a headache.
Which color will you choose for the room?
I will choose blue for the room.
Which movie will Anwar watch?
Anwar will watch the latest action movies.
How will you solve the problem?
I will solve the problem by asking for advice.
How will Anwar prepare for the test?
Anwar will prepare for the test by revising his notes.
Why will they cancel the trip?
They will cancel the trip because of bad weather.
Why will she leave early?
She will leave early because she has an important meeting.
Why will you call me tomorrow?
I will call you tomorrow to discuss the project.
Which road will you take to the city?
I will take the highway to the city.
Which restaurant will we visit next?
We will visit the new Italian restaurant next.
How will they reach the venue?
They will reach the venue by taking a taxi.
How will she learn to play the piano?
She will learn to play the piano through online classes.
Which subject will they focus on?
They will focus on mathematics.
How will you complete the project on time?
I will complete the project on time by working overtime.
Will you join us for dinner?
Yes, I will join you for dinner.
Will they arrive on time?
No, they will arrive late.
I will help you with your homework.
Thanks for helping.
Will she attend the wedding?
I think she will.
Will she agree with the new rules?
No, she will not agree with the new rules.
Will we need more chairs for the event?
Yes, we will need a lot of chairs.
Will Anwar play football this weekend?
No, he will not play football this weekend.
She will bake a cake for the party, will she?
Yes, she will.
Will we watch the movie tonight?
No, we will not watch the movie tonight.
Will Anwar finish his project on time?
Yes, he will finish his project on time.
Will Anwar study for his exam tomorrow?
No, he won't study for his exam tomorrow.
Will they travel to Paris next summer?
Yes, they will travel to Paris next summer.
Will they go to the park today?
Yes, they will go to the park.
Who will be the next president of United States?
I don't know who will be.
Where will you celebrate your birthday?
I will celebrate my birthday at a restaurant.
Where will they build the new school?
They will build a new school near the park.
What will you do this weekend?
I will visit my grandparents this weekend.
What will Anwar bring to the picnic?
Anwar will bring a sandwich to the picnic.
When will you finish your homework?
I will finish my homework by 8 p.m.
When will Anwar arrive at the airport?
Anwar will arrive at the airport at 6 p.m.
Whom will you invite to the dinner party?
I will invite my colleagues to the dinner party.
Whom will Anwar ask for help?
Anwar will ask his teacher for help.
Where will Anwar go after the meeting?
Anwar will go home after the meeting.
Where will we find a good hotel?
We will find a good hotel in the city center.
What will they talk about in the meeting?
They will talk about the new project in the meeting.
What will we learn in the workshop?
We will learn about time management in the workshop.
When will they release the new movie?
They will release the new movie next month.
When will we leave for the trip?
We will leave for the trip early in the morning.
Whom will they send the letter to?